It is with great honor that I stand before you today for the practical workshop on the Common Reporting Standards Compliance Audit. We have gathered here to exchange knowledge and best practices and to reaffirm our collective commitment to transparency, cooperation, and integrity in global tax matters. In an era where financial globalization is a new norm, the role of the Common Reporting Standard, CRS, in promoting tax transparency and the automatic exchange of information is more critical than ever. CRS represents a groundbreaking milestone in the global fight against tax evasion, ensuring that tax obligations are met and that jurisdictions work together to address the challenges posed by cross-border financial transactions. The establishment of the Mauritius International Financial Center, IFC, is a testament to our nation's economic vision and our steadfast dedication to fostering a transparent, robust, and compliant financial environment. Our IFC has become an internationally recognized hub, home to global financial institutions, including international banks, corporate service providers, legal firms, investment firms, and private equity funds. By embracing the common reporting standards, Mauritius has strengthened its commitment to international cooperation and solidified its reputation as a credible and compliant financial center on the world stage. The growth and dynamism of our financial center are intrinsically linked to our ability to attract foreign direct investment, FDI, which is essential for our nation's economic advancement and sustainability. In light of this, I urge all of you to promote voluntarily tax compliance as it remains the cornerstone of a thriving and transparent financial system. Ladies and gentlemen, the CRS serves as a pivotal tool in our ongoing efforts to combat tax evasion and curb illicit financial flows. Through the automatic exchange of information, CRS empowers jurisdictions by providing greater visibility over the foreign financial assets held by their tax residents. This powerful mechanism enhances integrity and trust in financial systems, while dismantling the opaque practices often associated with banking secrecy. Here in Mauritius, we recognize the imperative of adopting international best practices, particularly as our IFC navigates the evolving global tax landscape. The insights gained from CRS not only reinforce our compliance efforts, but also elevate Mauritius as a leading, well-regulated financial center aligned with international standards and committed to upholding transparency. Ladies and gentlemen, implementing and enforcing the common reporting standard can indeed be challenging for some jurisdictions. However, I take immense pride in noting that Mauritius stands as one of the pioneering African nations to have successfully implemented the CRS. Our country has reached a mature stage of CRS implementation and is frequently recognized as a benchmark in this field. Mauritius is often called upon to share its experiences at international platforms, and we firmly believe that knowledge, when shared, multiplies in value. We remain committed to offering our support to fellow countries, for it is only through collective effort that we can achieve shared success. Our government has taken significant steps in aligning our regulatory framework with international norms. This includes our participation in initiatives that promote the exchange of information and collaboration, as well as enforcement of CRS, which plays a crucial role in detecting potential tax evasion and fostering a compliant business environment. Without any doubt, today's workshop provides a valuable opportunity for us to deepen our understanding of the compliance expectations placed on reporting financial institutions under the CRS. I commend the Secretariat for organizing numerous in-person workshops across regions including Africa, Asia, the Caribbean, Latin America, and the Middle East. Today's workshop, being the final session dedicated to CRS audit methodology, will focus on verifying compliance, particularly regarding the obligations of reporting financial institutions related to reporting, due diligence, and record keeping. In recent years, we have witnessed unprecedented globalization, enabling taxpayers to operate seamlessly across borders. However, this evolution presents significant challenges for tax administrations worldwide, particularly in the monitoring and investigation of cross-border transactions. These challenges call for enhanced collaboration and communication among jurisdictions, with the exchange of information, EOI, emerging as a cornerstone of international tax cooperation. The EOI framework enables jurisdictions to combat tax evasion and artificial arrangements under aggressive tax planning schemes. It also overrides traditional banking secrecy provisions, promoting greater transparency and integrity in the global financial system. Ladies and gentlemen, and dear participants, your presence here today is a testament to your dedication to strengthening tax administration and fostering international cooperation. Together, we can cultivate a spirit of collaboration and exchange that will not only benefit our individual nations, but also fortify the global financial system as a whole. This practical workshop on CRS compliance audits will serve as a crucial stepping stone as jurisdictions prepare for the upcoming second round of automatic exchange of information, AEOI, effectiveness peer reviews conducted by the Global Forum. Let us take full advantage of this gathering to leverage our diverse experiences, share knowledge, and craft innovative solutions that will lead to a more equitable and transparent financial landscape. Today's event is more than just a platform to exchange experiences. It is an opportunity to forge partnerships that will enhance our capacity to combat financial crime and boost our economic resilience. My ministry is fully committed to ensuring that we will continuously evolve in our approach, embrace innovation, and remain open to learning from other jurisdictions. By sharing our successes and addressing challenges together, we will be better positioned to safeguard our financial system. In closing, I would like to express my deepest appreciation to the Mauritius Revenue Authority, collaborators and participants for your dedication to this workshop. I wish you all a highly enriching and productive session, one that will empower us to collectively tackle tax evasion and promote a fair, transparent, and compliant global financial environment. Now I have the pleasure to officially declare this workshop open. Thank you very much.